Okay, so julle, ons is nou by Colorspan in Heidelberg. Laat ek gou die foon omdraai. So hierso kom jy in. Ek moet nou net nie van die trap afval nie, julle. Dis sy, julle, kyk hierso. Is dit nou nie? Ek gaan nou vir julle alles individueel wys, maar is dit nou nie om die aapstype oor te kry nie? Julle, imagine as jy nou elke dag hier moet werk. As jy nou kreatief is en jy hou van wolle en materiale en alles wat natuurlik is, dan hoe op dese aarde kan 'n mens werk? Kyk hierso weef, is al weeframe. Kyk, sit tot 'n weef. Dankie Lindy, ek waardeer dit. Oh, dit is so nice. Okay, so let me show them around. Okay. But maybe you must come with me because I don't know all the wools. Yes, yeah, you can put the kettle. Ek gaan net gou julle neersit vir 2 sekondes. I'm gonna pull up my pants. I'm losing a lot of weight. Good. So my clothes is like getting... So, how are you doing? Julle kyk net eers weer hierso. Kyk hierdie cool trui. I wish I can knit. You know, like from a pattern.
To teach you.
Yeah, from a pattern. I can knit, you know,
No,
normal plain and
I
I can knit plain and pull.
Then
and
you can knit.
Yes, but like this is not like
It's not,
sleeves.
this is all sorts of everything.
But it's like straight.
yeah, it's
But did you
straight.
make like a rounding there?
No.
Oh, this is cool.
This is knit crochet, Tunisian crochet. It's a whole mix-up.
Oh, julle kyk hoe cool lyk sy. So dit is Dana, what's your name? Biddle. Dana Biddle. So julle so she's got Colorspan here in Heidelberg. So she's got an online shop. But I'm going to show you around if you see something that you like. You can make us coffee if you want to, or you can come with me.
Okay, but
Okay.
this is boiling.
Yeah.
I'll
Okay,
come with you
explain
first.
to me what this is because I'm not really what's that for?
Okay, that's a counter to count your rows and stitches
Oh,
as you're
cool.
knitting so you can keep track.
Okay.
Okay, that's just a little stitch holder. That's for cross stitch.
Okay.
This is
What's this? This is cool.
It's a measure that's used mainly by people who do hand spun yarn.
Oh,
to
handspun.
measure the thickness of their yarn.
Okay.
Those are little looms for kids to weave on.
So jy kan vir jou weefstel koop ook hierso.
That's a punch needle.
Yes. Okay.
Those are stitch markers. Those are hooks for Portuguese knitting.
Which
And
ones?
These are hooks.
Okay,
for
so as enige
Portuguese
iemand weet wat
knitting.
is Portuguese knitting, dit is die hoeks wat jy gebruik. Nou gaan ons dit met Google.
And that's bobbins for colour work. That
Oh,
hold
that's
the yarn
cool.
when you're doing colour work.
Oh, julle kyk hierdie. Hierdie is nou soos pakke. This is like a whole pack of cotton.
That's cotton. These are the colourways.
Oh, this is
This
beautiful.
one's a bright. That's bright rainbow. There's all different ones.
Ja, there's the pastels.
That one's called
Normal.
Northern Lights.
Julle gaan my met verskoon. Ek gaan besirk. Ek raak besirk as ek in hierdie plek kom. And this is just all natural
This
Wool.
side is all 100% cotton
cotton for crochet or knitting.
for crochet or knitting or weaving
Or weaving. Julle kan sien sy
whatever you
kleur.
want to do with it.
Sy kleur, she dyes everything here at the premises, hand dyed. So that's why when you look at these, you know, you see multiple shades of... Ja, Vanessa, dis stunning. Ek het nog niks nie. Portuguese knitting is wanneer die wol om jou nek lê terwyl jy brei.
Yeah, except
Oh.
that the hooks, then you don't have it rubbing round your neck.
Oh,
if you
yeah,
use a
okay.
hook.
So she says the hook is for so you don't have the wool rubbing against your neck. Okay, that's cool. You understand Afrikaans? A little bit. Ja, ek gaan so Engels en Afrikaans so skiep en dan hierso. This is felt. No, it's cotton. Cotton fabric wat sy self kleur. Oek, hierdie oranje is beautiful, hey?
Thanks.
En hierso is ook, is this the same as what's behind
Yes,
me? Oh,
yeah.
it's just a
These are
smaller...
different. They're in balls.
Ja.
they're
Okay,
all
so
in
hierdie en hierdie is dieselfde. Hierdie is net in 'n bolletjie. Kyk hoe oulik is haar logo julle.
So when we send it out,
Yes.
we send balls.
Oh ja, okay, so.
It's easier to store the skeins.
Okay, so jy koop dit so, maar sy stoor dit, die goed wat klaar gekleur is, so. Okay. Dis hierso julle waar ek daai knope gekoop het van die hondjies. Kyk hierdie, weet jy, daai stokkies, daai perdjies wat die kinders altyd moet doen. Is this like a, it's a lion.
It's a lion. He needs his eyes.
Ja. And that's a donkey. En daai perdjies.
It's a warthog.
Nou wil ek weer bietjie hikkel.
That's a warthog.
Ja, warthog, ja. So there's like big wooden needles. These are the embroidery threads. It's cool. Julle, hier is die knope wat ek, remember I bought those doggy buttons? I showed them in my studio. Oh, this is nice. Owl eyes. Is there another one like this?
I don't know. We'll have to check for you.
Because I need 2 pairs, for an eye, and then there's going to be one left over. So if I buy 2 packets, then I'll have 5 sets. But it's okay. I can use the one button for something else. Oh, hier is ook mooi.
You can always order you some. Doesn't look like there's more of those. I'll
No,
keep
it's
those
fine.
for you.
Sien julle, nou kom wys ek vir julle, dan doen ek shopping. Nee. Hier is ook mooi vir uiloogies. Jou vinger is oor die phone se mic. Sorry, kan julle my nou hoor? Wys gou vir my thumbs up as julle my kan hoor. Want ek dink ek het die phone. Wys gou vir my thumbs up as julle my kan hoor asseblief, of sê vir my julle kan my hoor, want ek dink ek het my vinger oor die mikrofoon gehad. Let me just quickly. Kan julle my hoor? Sê gou vir my of julle my kan hoor. Iemand moet vir my sê of julle my kan hoor, want ek kan nou nie verder gaan as julle my nie kan hoor nie. Maybe I must just get my phone because I'm far from I'm on mobile data.
Yeah.
Ja. Kan julle my hoor? Well, okay, they say they can hear.
Ja,
Ek gaan net my handsak hier oor sit, want ek is op my phone se mobile data, julle. So, kom ons kyk hierso. Julle het nou al die knopies gesien in dit. Ek gaan weer omdraai. Kyk al hierdie. Julle, is dit nou net nie om van te droom nie. Kyk ons alles mooi gecolor code. Daar is nou kleiner stukkies en hierdie is seker nou groter stukke. Hierdie is seker meters. O nee, hierdie is baie meer. Hierdie is seker 5 meter. Maar hier is alles natuurlike katoen. Kom ons kyk gou hierso. Oh, kyk hoe cool is hierdie. So hierdie van julle wat hekel en brei. O, kyk hierdie mooi ene julle. Kyk hierso. Is dit nou nie van om jaloers te word nie. So sy het 'n aanlyn winkel, it's www.colorspan.com. Colorspan. Klink jy nou soos my man, kan jy my hoor?
S-P-U-N.
Colorspan. Presies, daar kom, kyk gou, daar's die. Maak gou 'n screenshot julle as julle wil gaan kyk, as julle wil gaan koop. Colorspan.com. Sy is hier in Heidelberg hier by letterlik 5 minute. Ons gaan nou sit en koffie drink, maar these wools are the same, it's just different colors. How many colors do you have?
511.
511 kleure wat sy daai.
These are also cotton, and they're different ones because we have fine lace,
Yes.
then lace weight,
Yes.
then 4-ply or sock weight.
Yes.
Then we go over this side and the sock continues there.
Yes.
Then there's Aran weight.
Yes.
And then that is DK. You can see we do the most of DK.
Yes.
And then in the
Right
corner
there in the corner.
is the super soft chunky.
Super soft chunky. Yes, you can order online, Ari. You just go to www.colorspan. Let me show you again. .com. She's in Heidelberg in Gauteng, so even though she's got a .com address, she's not international. So she's so yeah, but I mean you're not overseas. You don't live overseas. Sy bly hier in Heidelberg, maar sy stuur reg oor die wêreld. Die mense koop reg oor die wêreld. Nou wil ek eers vir julle een van die mooiste, wag, ek moet eers my gesig vir julle wys. Julle, die eerste keer toe ek hierdie ding sien, toe wil ek die horriepiep kry want dit is die mooiste. Sies vir julle. Ek sal my erfporsie uitgee op wol en lap. Mens kan nooit genoeg hê nie. Skus man, kyk gou hierdie mooi ding met wol gemaak. Is 'n skaap julle. Kyk hierso. Maar kyk al hierdie tipe verskillende wol. What wool have you used in here? There's obviously merino. Have you got karakul in here?
Yes, there is a bit somewhere.
Ja.
Yeah.
So hy het merino, silk, karakul, mohair. Kyk hoe mooi is hy, maar ek gaan hom nou vir julle ver wys. Kyk hoe cool is hy. Ja, Ari, dit is die mooiste wol. So hierdie is mohair.
Here's the baby.
Oh, daar's die babietjie. Die babietjie is so mooi soos haar trui. We have to put him somewhere because he disappears in against your beautiful jersey. Kyk hoe cute is die babietjie julle. Kyk daar. I bet you they're gonna say we must do a class on this. I'll get the wool from you and we do a class on this. Oh, love it. Oh, I love it.
That's all my hand spun.
Handspun. Ja, okay, so this is your wool that you spin yourself.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So sy spin ook haar eie wol. Kyk hierso julle. And this, what wool is this?
That's merino.
Merino. Jy kan sommer voel that it's natural and it's real because it's soft and it's not like polyester, you know, like the wools that you buy in the shops or from Temu or Shein or the China shop. It's not the same. Ja. Dis glad nie dieselfde nie. Ja, julle hierdie wol wat hierso, kyk hierdie mooi kleure. Ek gaan gou vir julle die winkel wys. Ek is 'n bietjie gesels oor wolle en 'n koppie koffie drink. And this is super cute leather. What wool is this?
It's mohair.
Mohair, ja.
And it's from the first shearing of the goats. It's the softest you can get.
Okay, so die van julle wat nou nie gehoor het nie, dit is die heel eerste wol wat afgeskeer word van die bokke. So dis die sagste wol. Kyk, julle kyk hoe mooi is hierdie kleure saam. Dis wat ek love. As jy nou, veral as jy nou kyk, ek gebruik wol vir kuns. Ek brei nie truie of hikkel, weet sulke goed nie, maar as jy nou 'n mooi trui of iets wil brei soos die een wat sy aan het, dan kan jy hierso inkom en alles is mooi vir jou in kiets. Al die kleurskakerings wat by mekaar pas. Kyk daai engeltjie. And this is
That's Nunu felting.
Nunu felting. What's Nunu felting?
So it's felted into the fabric.
Oh, so almost like needle felting, but just into the fabric.
It's wet
Wet
felting.
felting. Yeah.
Yeah, but instead of just felting onto itself like these,
Yes.
it's felted into the
Het
fabric.
julle hierdie gesien? Kyk hoe cool is dit. Jy ken jou mense, né? Ja, natuurlik. Ek ken my mense. Oh, they say the scarves are beautiful.
Oh, that's another one.
Ek mis partykeer die comments. Wys haar trui asseblief. They want to see your jersey again. Ek gaan vir my nou so 'n trui brei. Remember that red pack that I bought from you,
you'll
nah?
then have a look
Like
at
4
those.
years ago. I
Yes.
still haven't knit it.
You'll have to get going.
Yes, but I want to do something like this. But I need more
This
chunky.
is made in strips.
Yeah, I need more chunky pieces as well.
Well,
I don't know if that won't be suitable for a jersey like this, will it?
It's what I used.
Is
those
it?
Boxes.
Those boxes. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is a spinning wheel. So sy spin haar eie wol ook. And that's a weaving. Sy weef op. Sy weef matte. You don't have a carpet here that you woven.
No.
nou, ek was die vorige keer wat ek hier was sy besig met 'n mat. Julle?
I'm busy with a carpet, but it's in the house.
Ja. Sy
All
was
this yarn is for a carpet I'm going to make.
O, okay, ek gaan nou vir julle wys. So and this is to obviously to okay, ek gaan nou vir julle wys. So and this is to obviously to
That winds
the balls, ja. So hierso weef sy rol sy haar wolle mee op. So this is
now merino.
merino wool.
And
Okay.
we've got lace weight and full ply.
Kyk hierso julle.
That's hand spun.
Hierdie is handgeweefde wol. How much is this a
I weigh them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Julle kan sien ek het vandag orange aan. I'll see if I can find things that go with that. But can I use it in a jersey like this?
Yes, absolutely.
And then we'll go
Yeah.
with colors that go with that. Is it the same?
Yes.
Okay. But 2 is okay now, is it too much?
No, that won't be enough for a jersey.
No.
Oh.
Just like strips.
Oh no, but this one's got bubbles on and this one's
It's got
not.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so they go together. Julle sien julle, ek kom wys vir julle die wolplek. It's my colours as well.
Yeah.
So sy sê al hierdie wat hier op die tafel is, gaan sy nou 'n mat mee weef. So are you going to just like a pattern or
No, it's a punch needle carpet.
sy gaan hom punch needle, julle staan verder. 'n punch needle. Kabet, kyk hierdie mooi. Ek het nou net aan hom geraak. Ag, kyk die uiltjie. Julle weet mos ek maak uile ook. Oh, julle. Oh, kyk hierso.
Those are the mohair.
Mohair. Ooh, this is also, but I love purple as a color, but it doesn't look good on me. I'm yellows, orange,
Yes,
light blues, teal. Okay, hierso is die mooiste felting wol. Veldwol om te veld. Ek koop hierso felting wol ook. And what is this? Also felting wool.
No,
What's this?
That's superwash.
Ooh, dis die eerste keer dat it's the first time I've seen. What do you do with it?
It's actually stuffing.
Is it stuffing?
I dye it. It's for people who crochet loosely. Then when they stuff whatever they're making, then it
You
doesn't
don't see
show
the
through.
white.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Het julle gehoor? Sy sê sy maak hierdie, sy kleur dit vir mense wat is eintlik stuffing. So as hulle soos diertjies of wat
Yeah, the
goedjies.
amigurumi stuff.
amigurumi of iets in hulle hekel los, dan in plaas van met die witte staf, dan en jy sien die wit,
And
dan
it can be spun for yarn
Ja.
as well.
so hierso is julle het baie kits. Julle moet op die website gaan kyk vir al die kits. Can you knit this whole jersey with this?
Yes. Obviously, not a huge size.
Yeah, not an extra large,
Yeah.
but like
Yeah. And
Sure.
if bigger people just add a bit extra yarn to it.
yeah. Oops, it was open, so
Yes.
kyk daarso julle. Dit is nou lekker cool. Oh. I only have one hand now.
Let me do it for you.
So kyk die handskoentjies. So daai magic gift pack wat ek vir julle gewys het wat ek het, hierso het sy nog. Kyk, hierso's 'n rooi en 'n swart. Ooh, that will go with what I
Absolutely.
chose.
Yes, it
Will
will.
you take it for me
Sure.
out, please?
That's the same as what I knit mine with.
Oh, okay. But I don't want to copy you.
We don't go out together
Oh,
as
okay.
twins.
You know
If we go out
what I
together,
just
we'll wear
posted this
something
morning on the
different.
copy on the website, you know. So I don't want to copy you.
You can copy. I'll give you permission.
Kyk, hierso is ook 'n
Similar.
ja, it's similar, maar ek hou van I like a bit of the green as well. Ja. Because I've got like julle kyk hier mooi pastelkleure. And with this, you can knit like scarves and you can
Yes,
also knit a
yeah.
jersey, but
There are sweater kits, and then the gift packs are big enough for a scarf
So this
or a
is-
shawl. So
this is a scarf or a shawl.
That's a scarf or a shawl. The sweater kits are the same.
Oh,
They've
okay.
just got more. more
Okay.
yarn in.
So hierso is die sweater, die trui kits. Oh, but it's beautiful. You know how tempted I am to use this wool for my sculpting, but it work, you know, it's expensive, ja.
Yeah.
Oh, julle kyk hierdie mooi vir 'n klein dogtertjie of iemand wat baie van pink hou. Kyk, ek is nou nie 'n pink. Ek hou van pink, maar ek dra nie baie pink nie, want I've got Irish blood and my skin has got a red undertone.
Yeah. These are all different ones.
So this is the sweater. Ooh, that's beautiful. I'm gonna find time to knit a sweater, but I'm gonna, like you say, it's rows and blocks, so.
Yeah. At night, in front of the TV.
Kyk daai mooi bloue. Julle, dit is beautiful. Okay, so I'll take that and all that. Yeah.
Putting it here.
Yes, please, and my buttons. Kyk, ek het knope nou ook gevat, julle. Julle lei my in die versoeking. Ons gaan nou 'n bietjie koffie drink. En dan gaan ons 'n bietjie gesels oor wol en hekel en brei. So nou is die kans vir julle om vrae te vra. So van hier af gaan ek nou ek gaan kyk of ek by die museum 'n draai kan maak, julle. Just pull up my belts. I've got a belt now, but then the buckle is like here on the...
Yeah.
Och, julle, daar's nog lekker koekies ook. Thank you. But I want to sit where they can see the beautiful background. Thank you. Ek gaan nou die foon skuif julle, dan kan julle darm 'n mooi agtergrond kry. Sien, ek het ook 'n trui aan vandag. Ek het baie lief vir wol. The Yoli's asking if the kit comes with a pattern. It does, nah.
Those
Yes,
mohair kits
yeah.
come with patterns.
The
yeah, all my gift pack
sweater one as well.
Those gift pack ones do.
Yes.
But if they order online, then they can order the pattern separately as a digital download.
Ah, okay. Het jy gehoor, Jolly? So dit kom, die gift packs kom met 'n patroon in. So ek het gister vir julle gewys op my, gister of eergister, het ek vir julle gewys daai pak wat ek gekoop het. Ek het nou weer, let me just get mine, the one that I'm gonna buy. I don't think this yellow is gonna go with it.
Maybe not.
But you know why I chose the yellow is because you've got a yellow blouse on.
Probably, yes.
So hierdie ek gaan nou gou-gou vir jou oopmaak. Hierdie het so hierdie is die scarf of poncho wrap.
Yes.
Wrap kit. Maar hulle het sweater kits ook. So hierin kry jy okay, doesn't have a scarf one in, but hierso is 'n poncho en dan so agterop is die. Maar as jy aanlyn kry, kan jy hierdie digital, you can also get it digital.
Not of these.
Oh, not of
these.
these.
All come with a pattern.
Okay, so hierdie bokse kom almal met 'n patroon. Of jy dit nou aanlyn koop of hierso koop. As these available online.
Yes.
Okay.
Ja.
So hierdie so jy moet net mooi kyk, Jolly, daarso is die kits wat jy nou die poncho, so jy kan of 'n poncho of 'n scarf met die klein kit en dan is daar groter kits wat sweaters het. So die sweaters kan jy maybe 'n small en 'n medium. So
yes,
as jy groter wil soos 'n extra large wil brei, gaan jy 'n paar ekstra moet koop. So ek het nou, omdat hierdie 'n scarf kit is, gaan ek nou hierdie bykoop, hierdie en hierdie een. Maybe this one also doesn't fit. Maybe I must swap these two for something that goes, I think those are too bright. Those two, I love them, but they're a little bit
They're a bit bright with that.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Unless you have a kit with these colours.
No.
But we'll see. Ons sal nou gaan.
So that's the pattern that comes in the sweater
ja,
kit.
kyk, hierso is die sweater kit se patroon. Is dit nie cool nie? Kyk, hierdie is kuns, hoor. It's wearable art. Jy kan nie hierdie in die winkel koop nie. You can't buy this in a shop.
No.
Ja, so. En dan is die patroon so, dit lyk soos 'n almanakkie. Twee sulke kaartjies en dan is die hele patroon nou so. What colours are by this neutral tones?
This pack is neutrals.
I want vibrant.
Okay.
Kyk, soos hierso is die sweater
That's
paks.
that particular
Ja,
color.
sien jy, so dit is, jy kry genoeg wol, jy kan sien dit is minder as hierdie is vir die serpe, so ek hou van daai kleure, so ek gaan hierdie by sit, ek sal net nou iets gaan soek wat daarby pas, maar ek hou van hierdie twee kleure ook. So dis mohair, né, of merino,
It's mohair.
mohair, so hierdie alles is mohair. So dit is regte, egte suiwerwol en sy kleur dit hier in Heidelberg. Met die hand.
So
Met ingevoerde kleurstowwe.
here's the other colors that
I don't know,
I've got.
have you got this one?
I've got the lid.
So are these all
Those are
sweaters?
all sweaters.
Okay, so hierso is ook, so jy moet sommer kyk, né, hierso is die pink sweater kit. Yoli, it is Colorspan here in Heidelberg. I'll show you now. You can order online. Ek is mos hierso van Heidelberg en ek, Dina is my vriendin. So, ek gaan gou vir jou wys. Jy kan aanlyn koop ook, maar as jy, ja, jy kan aanlyn koop en sy stuur dit vir jou met die koerier. So, daarso is die, ek weet is nou, wag, dat ek so maak, want dit is nou agterste voor, en dit is moeilik om partykeer te lees. www.colorspan.com. So dis nie 'n winkel nie, dit is haar ateljee by haar huis. Sy verkoop internasionaal. Sy verkoop reg oor die wêreld. Verkoop sy wol en veld en pure cotton fabrics.
Ja.
Crochet wool,
Crochet,
embroidery wool, knitting wool, weaving wool, alles.
needle carpet wool.
Jy screenshot geneem, great. Great, Jolie, ja. So hier's die ander, don't you want to put this one back?
Sure.
Ek wil net 'n slukkie van my koffie vat. Dat sal seker help as ek dit roer. So I'm live now, but I'm gonna make like videos. Are you on TikTok?
No.
I'm gonna make short clips and then I'll send you some clips.
Thank
as well.
you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So
I'll
hierdie
put
is
them
cool.
on-
This is so nice.
I'm
You
on
see,
Facebook and
Ja.
Instagram.
so hierdie is nou vir 'n pers sweater. Okay, die patroon se prentjie lyk almal dieselfde, maar kan jy imagine hierdie sweater? Is dit hallo Gabriella, hoe gaan dit? Melanie says she's on your website already.
Lovely.
Julle asseblief share gou hierdie live met 'n paar vriendinne wat julle weet dit van sal hou. Ek gaan nog so 40 minute hier by haar sit en kuier. Ek het sulke uurslots vir myself gegee vir al die winkeltjies in Heidelberg. So julle moet kyk, so share asseblief. En julle asseblief, ek het vandag goals. Ek het vandag 'n gift goal en ek het groot gift goals. Ek gaan nie vir julle jok nie, want ek gaan die hele dag livestream op my mobile data, so ek moet gaan data koop na die tyd. So ek sal dit waardeer as julle vir my gifts kan stuur om data te koop. Kyk hierso. This is also nice, but I'm thinking of what I already have, the color schemes that I already have in my cupboard. And I like that. I'm a winter person. I love autumn colors, warm colors, and
Yeah.
you've got a different green in, but I like this green. Did you use this kit?
Yes, I used a kit.
But
like
what is that
But
that
I
green?
added quite. This one is added in. This is that green, but this is.
But it's a
something-
different wool.
This is yarn that I've added in
Okay,
here.
okay.
Yeah.
So hierso is hierdie ene en
Yeah,
as
this is wool, not.
ja.
The back is different, look.
Yes, but the back
It's
also
double.
looks nice, yeah. I'm gonna try. Ugh, if I struggle, I'm gonna come and sit and knit here. Kyk hierdie mooi pinke en perse julle. Kyk net hierdie mooi wol. Hierdie chunky stukke. Dankie Melanie for sharing. Iemand moet vir Willa share, want Willa hiekel ook mos, wikkel Willa. Ek dink sy sal hiervan hou. Ek weet net nie of sy al wakker is nie. Dis beautiful. Oh, thank you for... Okay, so I'm going to put these two back and then I'll look for...
Sure, let me move that
Yes.
out of your way.
Then I'm going to look for wool that's... You must just help me select the right ones.
Okay.
Do you think I need much more than...
Not a lot more.
Maybe something just plain, you know?
Yes,
like
similar to, yeah, maybe
but
some
not that
wool.
color, then it's not exactly the same.
Okay.
Yeah,
Well,
something...
I'll pick something out.
Oh, julle kyk, hierdie het sulke beads in. Sulke seed beads. Dankie Melanie. Kyk, hierdie het sulke seed beads in. So, ek dink ek gaan hierdie, maar ek wil vir my 'n trui brei. Kyk, ek is nie 'n breier nie. Ek is 'n kunstenaar. Ek kan brei en hekel vir my kuns. As ek nou ietsie moet hekel, soos 'n hartjie of 'n petal of vir 'n blaar of so iets, ek gaan YouTube ek gegaan met 'n hekel. Maar ek het een keer 'n trui gebrei, maar ek het net 'n klomp blokkies gebrei. Reguit, plain pul. Maar die kleure en die tipe wol wat ek gebruik het dit mooi gemaak en my maat het vir my aan mekaar gesit toe sy nog gelewe het. En vir my die ribbing verlede jaar hierdie tyd die ribbing gebrei en dit, so ek sal moet leer. Want ek gaan nou hierdie gebruik, ek wil vir my 'n trui maak. Kyk, ek glo nie ek gaan hierdie trui hierdie winter dra nie, maar ek gaan letterlik blokkies en langwerp en wat reghoeke en stroke brei en dit net so begin pak en kyk. Weet en dan as ek dit nou so pak, dan gaf my 'n template maak op 'n karton oor hoe die voorband en die agterband moet lyk en hoe groot die moue moet wees. Dan gaan ek dit letterlik so uitpak. Ek sal dit live doen. Ek gaan nou nie live brei nie want ek gaan in die aand op brei, maar ek sal dit met julle share op live. En dan as ek sien ek het nou nog 'n lang stukkie nodig, gaan brei ek nou net so 'n stukkie. Ek gaan dit doen. Julle, want ek is net so lief soos wat ek vir materiaal is ek net so lief vir wol. Oh, yes.
No,
No,
I don't.
no, not that one, but
Not that
maybe
one.
that one, yeah. Just kyk gou. Do you think it's a little bit too light?
Maybe let's get you a darker one.
Just take that one right there. Or pick up a color in this, like that color. I know it's like a kapoon color, but
Okay.
I like it.
Let's see if I've got.
So kyk, in hierdie treine gaan hou vir ewig. Hy gaan hou vir... Ek het hierdie trei 2 jaar terug gekoop by... Wat is die nice klerewinkel waar die jong mense hulle klere by koop? Nie Mr. Price nie. Ja, ek kan nie daar klere koop, want die size is alles so klein. Maar in elk geval is dit baie funky. Ek het dit in die Kaap gekoop. En kyk hoe uitgerek is hierdie al klaar. En dit is, ja, is nie... I bought this at... Oh yeah, that's cool. I bought this at... I can't remember the... It's like that funky clothing shop where all the young people buy their clothes. But it's not Mr. Price. It's not Old Khaki. Oh, God.
Poetry?
Not Poetry, no. It's like a... Julle geef my 'n bietjie klerewinkels se name. Cotton On. Dankie. I bought it at Cotton On like three years ago, but there's like this is supposed to be like that thin elastic.
Yes.
No, to keep
it.
ribbing.
Yes.
And I haven't worn it much. I think this is about the 8th time that I wear this jersey, and the elastics are all stretched out. All like, you know, sort of like almost like disintegrated.
Yeah.
But I don't think Cotton On is like real wool. I think Cotton On is from either Indonesia or China or wherever in the world. I don't know where they make their clothes, but I just love the colors. But it's nice and soft, you know.
Yeah, it looks lovely and soft.
Yeah. But it's not nothing. Julle kyk hierso, so sy het nou vir my daai so ek gaan hierdie skaaf kit vat, one show kit saam met daai twee en hierdie twee en dan gaan ek vir my so brei soos sy. Let me just show you vir alle Madeleine, die van julle wat nou eers ingekom het. My vriendin Dina Biddle van Colorspan, kyk haar beautiful try. Kyk haar beautiful try. So ek gaan vir my iets soortgelyk. Ek gaan nou nie kopie nie. But ek gaan brei en hekel. So it's a combination of crochet and knitting.
This is crochet, knit and Tunisian crochet.
What's Tunisian crochet?
It's done on a hook that has either a long one.
Sy gaan nou vir ons Tunisian crochet.
Or you can get...
Kyk hoe mooi skaap vir die van julle wat nou eers hier ingekom het. Kyk daai beautiful skaap.
So it's a long crochet hook.
It looks like a knitting needle at the back.
You can use these like this with a cable.
Oh, okay.
And you pick up your stitches as if they're going to be knit. So you would have a whole row of stitches.
Like a knitting, yeah.
And then you take them all off. And then you pick them all up and you take them all off.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So it's actually easy crochet.
It's very easy. Yeah.
Hello, Dawn. Yeah.
All sorts of different
stitches.
Yeah. On the back.
Oh, kyk hier so julle. Oh, that's cool. I need to take pictures. So do you have this wool? This one.
Yes, let me check. I don't know if I've got...
Let me see at the back, because at the back you can see, kyk hier so mooi bobbles is dit julle. You've got a nice big block here at the back. I need to take pictures. Sien en daar sê hy nou ietsie gekort, dus sit sy so my ouma blokkie daarin. And I love it that it's not even. Kyk.
No,
kyk.
I did it in strips.
Ah, that's cool. Okay, I'll take a picture of your jersey before I go. So kyk, die van julle wat nou eers ingekom het, kyk hierdie mooi skaap. Dis merino wol. En nee, karakul merino. What other wool is in here? Karakul merino. Mohair.
Bits of silk.
Daar's silk in. So this is the silk.
No,
that's mohair. Yeah.
I have got silk. I haven't had.
Sien julle daar's daai wat die trolletjies in het.
It's arrived, the silk.
Okay, en dan hier is sy boetie of sussie. Kom ek wys vir julle. Ek dink ons moet so 'n klas doen. Ek sal sy gee nie meer klasse nie, maar ek sal die wol by haar kry en dan sy sal nie omgee nie as ons die wol by haar koop nie. Kyk hierdie mooi serp julle. So hierdie is katoen materiaal, katoen strips wat geskeur is en wol. O, hierdie is cool. En is geweef. Julle kyk haar, dis geweef. Die agterkant is geweef. Kyk daai cool serp.
I don't have bubbles.
Okay.
I have the ribbon one and I've got this one as well.
Let's see.
That will go nicely.
Okay, and this ribbon one. Okay, I'm obviously going to have a lot of wool left over. I hope so. I think so.
You might have a bit left over, yeah.
Okay, so I'll take both those. And now I'm going to stop. Please don't sell anything else to me. Don't pick anything else from the shelves. So hierdie is myne en dan 'n knope daar aan die kant ook wat ek. So I'm just going to walk through one time for those who just popped in now. So this is like all the natural dyed cotton. And I love it that sy dit so jy koop recording hekel in die binnekant van rib van mou. In die binnekant van die mou. Susan, jy moet nou vir my verduidelik, op 'n ander dag moet jy vir my verduidelik, want my moue is nou uitgerek. Kyk, ek is nie 'n hekel of 'n hekeler of 'n breier nie. Hier is al die cotton fabric en die yarn. Super soft, chunky. Oh, that's beautiful. My heart. En hierso is daai knope wat ek in my studio ook het. Hierso is borduurgaring. Hierso is allerhande knitting needles. Kyk hierdie mooi chunky wolle. Julle, ek wil nou naby staan dat julle die wol sien, maar ek wil ook hê julle moet sien hoe baie is daar. Okay, so sy verkoop aanlyn internasionaal colorspan.com. Kyk, hierdie is ook mooi. Maar julle kan alles op haar website sien. Sy weef, sy spin haar eie wol, ook sy kleur dit, sy weef, sy brei, daar is om die wol op te rol. Kyk hoe mooi is hierdie. Is this like a blanket?
It's a cape.
Oh, a cape.
It needs buttons.
Okay, show us. It's beautiful. Dis 'n cape, julle. Kyk hoe mooi is dit.
Just needs buttons.
Ja. Oh, dis cool. Nice. Kyk die nice bobbel. Hierdie op die tafel gaan sy alles gebruik om te punch needle. Sy gaan 'n mat punch needle. So, do you have your pattern or
Yes.
are you going to do a
I've actually
image or en sy gaan dit nou soek. So hierso is hierso is ook allerhande wol. Hierso is al
the
die
design of this one.
needle felting en al haar kits. Hier is al die tools as jy self wil spin en self. Oh, okay. Okay, I have to stand back. Sy gaan daai nou punch needle, né?
Ja.
Punch needle, ja. I think I want to do like a textile art retreat in September. I think one of the classes, we must do something in wool and we must do it here because it's very exclusive. I keep it small, like 6 people.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, then we
But they want to, let me show you
get
my
the wool from you.
mats, then they
Yes.
can see what the punching
Kyk, hierdie is ook, julle, kyk is 'n gebreide mat. Dis gebrei. Dis 'n mat wat gebrei is met wol.
That's crocheted.
Crochet. Oh, sorry, crochet. Okay, so dit is hoe sy
Punch needle,
dis hoe sy die mat gaan punch needle.
but it's going to be a big one.
Big one. Can I see the back? Yo, the back looks the same.
Pretty much, yeah.
It's so cool. Wow. Okay, hierdie is gehikel, julle. Dis nie 'n gebreide mat nie. Maar kyk hoe cool is dit daaronder. Die teksture. Ooh, weet julle wie met op hierdie live wees? Ag, wat is sy naam nou? Ben, hoor. Gou kyk of ek hom kan. Ek moet vir hom wys want hy hikel mos. Kom kyk gou of ons vir Ben kan share, Ben, hier gehoor ook. Ben, ek sal kyk of hy dit betyds kry. O ja, Susan, dit is, ek het dit al op Facebook gesien. Jy al baie treie gebrei. O, nice, ek sal vir jou ook raad vra. Ek gaan gou na 'n meeting toe. Sien julle later, ek en Melanie. Ag nee, jy is hier so. Madeleine is hier so. Ek weet nie of Johannie is nie. Moet stuur vir hulle. Daar sê julle, so ek is hier so by my vriendin in Heidelberg, by Colorspan. Ons gaan nou 'n bietjie koffie drink. En ja, ek sal kyk as daar nuwe mense inkom, as hulle gou weer 'n rondetjie doen. And so, yeah, so what I said to you is, I don't know, but I've looked around on the internet. There's so many organizations, but it doesn't seem like anybody's really doing something.
Tag, did they contact you?
No, not yet.
Okay, they will contact you. The lady's name is Lynn. I'd actually forgotten about them. They're very active.
What does TAG
apparently.
stand for?
Textile Art Group Gauteng.
Oh, okay.
That's
It's
why
weird that it didn't come up when I Googled.
I don't know if they have online or anything, but they meet once a month and they do workshops and
Oh, nice.
that sort of
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
I'm not quite sure where they meet, somewhere in Joburg. Yeah.
I think it will give me,
Fiberworks on the
yes.
apparently on the Facebook page.
Yes.
There is a section that tells you how to
How
join.
to join. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then that other group that I sent you is the international group.
Why don't you belong?
I belonged to the part of it that they've
Fiberworks, yeah.
the textile art group of that one,
Yes.
but they've shifted that now. I need to rejoin.
Are you going to the Gold Festival next year?
I don't know.
I'm
If
teaching.
I go, I'll go as
as a guest.
spectator.
As a spectator.
Yeah.
I'm teaching for
I haven't
Bernina.
been to the quilt festivals for years now.
Years, yeah.
Yeah, but I might, because it's PE, go down to the kids in state level
Yes, yeah.
and then go from there
It's
for a
during-
day or so. Yeah.
on my birthday.
Oh, really?
So it's a big birthday present
Wow,
for me.
that's lovely.
Yeah, so but
Yeah.
I'm teaching
It's
3
a
days.
treat.
Yeah.
It's an absolute treat.
So you know how the classrooms normally work is they've got all the suppliers, with the machines, and then teachers
Yes.
come in and teach different time slots. So Bernina said to them, our classroom is our classroom.
Yeah.
Veronica teach in our classroom. So they first said no, then Bernina said, well, okay, then no. So they came back and said, okay, Veronica can teach. So then Bernina compromised and said the first day, people can, other teachers can use their machines, but for 3 days I'll be the only teacher.
Okay.
Yeah, because the things that I make takes the whole day.
Yes.
You can't teach what I do in 2 hours.
No.
Yeah, so,
Yeah.
so...
But I mean, the quilt teachers don't teach for an hour or
Yeah.
two. They teach a whole day.
Yeah. So, anyway,
Yeah.
I'm excited. We've already established the 3 different projects, because the thing is, the reason why they want me to teach is because even the videos that I make for them
Yes.
is geared towards using their equipment and the products that they sell. So the first day we will do, it's dimensional, but everything must be flat. The Quilt Festival doesn't want me to do sculpting.
Yeah.
So it must be flat. So I made like paintings, like flat
Yes.
paintings, but the first one has got 3-dimensional elements that comes out of the flat painting. But there I'm even stitching with wire. So
Wow.
yeah, wire and things like that. So it's like a night. What did I call
Are you
it?
catching the wire down or?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So over a dissolvable stabilizer.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
And then I use it in the painting for the stems.
Lovely.
Yeah. So it's called Moonlight Meander. So it's like a flower garden. You know when you look at flowers like a garden in the
Yes.
evening at night time
Yes.
when there's a full moon. Everything looks like shades of blue or grey depending on the moonlight.
Yes.
So this is all recycled denim. Because
that's
this next year
fabulous.
it's also, they're very much into sustainability and
Yeah.
recycling and things
Yes.
like that. So that's the first one. The second one is a Gustav Klimt inspired.
Oh, lovely.
So that one focuses on 3-dimensional art. So I use 5 different presser feet. So that's why they want me to teach, because I use 5
All
different
the-
presser feet.
yes.
So the people see and then they want to do it so they can
They buy
sell
all
more
the
feet. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the next one is the Gustav Klimt inspired one. So that one focuses a lot on everything that's built into the machine. Because I say to people, I use the built-in stitches a lot now. I was also like a snob. Built-in stitches are for people that can't, sew. It's there for beginners and things like that, with my previous machines.
Yes.
And then I realized how beautiful the built-in stitches is,
Yeah.
especially this machine that I've got now. And they've got a lot of stitches that look similar to the patterns that Klimt uses in his paintings.
Oh, wow.
So I decided that one focuses a lot on so we basically stitch with two presser feet, but we use like the glue and some of the other accessories, and then the last one focuses on the thread. So that's a butterfly, free motion embroidery onto netting in a hoop, yeah.
Sure, that's fabulous.
Ja, hallo julle, welkom hierso by my live. Ek kuier vandag in die dorp. Ek is vandag hierso by my vriendin Dina. Sy bly letterlik 3 minute van my af in Heidelberg. Kyk, in Heidelberg kan jy enige plek binne 5 minute wees. En ja, so ek kuier vandag hier so by haar. Sy het colorspan. I think I must just keep one of those here on the table.
Let me give you let me grab that one.
Yeah, so that I can just show them the logo and the, yeah.
There you go.
I'll just leave it here because as new people come in, I just want to show them. So dis colorspan.com. Julle kan, laat ek dit so hou, laat hy nou fokus. Nou fokus die foon op my en nie op die wol nie. Colorspan.com. Ek gaan nou weer 'n rondte loop vir julle wys. So julle kan aanlyn koop ook. Alles is natuurlike wol. Niks hierso is sinteties nie. Ek dink nie, what's synthetic here? Our jeans. Not really, it's
Not
cotton.
really,
Ja.
no.
Ek dink nie is iets sinteties in hierdie show.
There's not,
nothing. Alles is suiwer wol, merino, karakool.
No, I don't sell karakool.
Not karakool, merino,
Merino,
mohair,
mohair, cotton.
cotton, ja, merino, mohair,
The
cotton,
blends have got silk and alpaca.
alpaca, sy het alpaca wol ook. Yes, I went to that alpaca farm there in Paarl, outside Paarl.
Oh, okay. Yes.
We went to Spice Roots, my husband and I, because the kids went to the Comic-Con in Cape Town.
Yes.
On the day that we organized his birthday lunch. So that the kids, my son moved the birthday lunch for me to 3:30, 2:30. I was just notified that the lunch was moved. So I thought, what are we going to do? So I said, let's go to Spice Roots in Paarl. And then we drove past it and I said to my husband, let's pop in here. We're early. You know, that we're going to get to Eikendal early. So we popped in there and I spoke a little bit to the ladies they sitting and they weaving there. And I said to my husband, I want to buy food, I want to go feed them. He says, it's a petting zoo. I said, I don't care. I want to, on my bucket list, or not my bucket list, on the list I can tick off now, I fed alpacas. They're so beautiful.
They are lovely, aren't
But
they?
the wool is expensive.
Yeah.
Yo, the wool is expensive.
It's
I don't know if
though.
it's the prices in the shop is tourist orientated.
Perhaps down there it might be.
No.
You know, there's an alpaca farm near here in Walkerville.
Oh, I have to go. Walkerville is Verenigingsway, né?
Yeah, it's just out that way. Di Kruger. She has an alpaca farm.
Must go
And
there.
you can visit it.
Oh, that's
And
cool.
they do have workshops there as well
Yeah.
sometimes.
I wanted to buy a scarf, an alpaca wool scarf, and it was like
It's very warm.
1,300 rand.
Yeah.
Ja, so hand wash en cool water. Julle, so daar sy. Dankie Gabriella, dankie vir die gifts julle. Ek waardeer dit. So ja, ek kuier by Dyna. O, kyk hoe mooi is hierdie ook. Dis is cotton, dis fabric.
Yes.
Kyk hoe mooi is hierdie ook. Ek sien dit nou eers raak. Kyk al blommetjies. Hallo Heidi. Sê hallo vir Heidi.
Hi, Heidi.
So Heidi wat saam met ons hier kuier se man, Johan, het al hierdie rakke
Oh, it's
gebring.
Heidi.
Yes. Sy man Johan het al daai al daai rakke wat al die rakke waar die wol in is, het hy gemaak.
He's going to make me more stuff soon.
Yeah.
Chris is
Are they
busy.
coming to visit up here or what?
Heidi?
Yes.
No, I don't know. I think he's going to send it flat back.
Oh, flatback.
Yeah.
Ja, so as daar nou mense is wat nou nie hier so in die live is wat nou wil weet wat ek besig is om hier te doen, sê net vir my want ek wil nou net 10 keer deurloop en julle het klaar gesien nie. Laat ek nou net hierdie kamera flip. So as julle wil sien dan ek drink net gou my koffie. Ek drink gou my koffie en dan as ek my koffie klaar gedrink het, dan gaan ons vir Dina kuier by Oakview Manor. So I'm gonna from here to Oakview Manor.
I've never been
And
there.
yes, I'm gonna have coffee with her and show them
Uh-huh.
Oakview Manor, and then I'm gonna show them the church in town, the Klipkerk. And then I'm gonna go to today I'm not
Ja, sy
working.
is
Vandag
wel
loop ek
lovely.
rond.
Lovely.
I decided
That's so nice.
I haven't had an off weekend for I can't remember, 3 months, 4 months.
Sure.
I work every Saturday. And because I work Saturdays, then on Sundays I do the things that I wanted to do on Saturday. And then I literally have from Sunday about 2 o'clock until, to rest. And then Monday I start again. So I decided I'm done. Yesterday also I had to work, but I was too tired from the class.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know, you think, like, because in my head I'm still very young and active and things like that. But, I woke up at 3 on Wednesday morning because my husband went to Cape Town. So he had to get up at 3.
Yeah.
To, get to the airport. So I was awake. So by the time he got dressed and, had breakfast and everything and said goodbye, he said, I must go back to sleep. It was like 55 minutes, then I had to get up. So I said, no, there's no ways I'm sleeping now, because if I sleep too deep and I don't hear my alarm, then there's a problem.
Yeah.
Okay. So I got up and got ready. Traffic into Johannesburg was hectic, but not that bad. It was manageable. Mm-hmm. And then it's the hold down my feet. I don't sit down when I teach. I literally sit down to take a breather and a sip of coffee for 10 seconds, and then I'm up again, in between the people. I teach, it's like when you teach something like Proteas, the embroidery, the very first method you can show everybody, but then everybody works at their own pace. So then you start
keep showing each individual
so then
person.
You start teaching individually.
Yeah.
So I left at 3:30, and I thought, I'm going to hit traffic, because the previous time, there when you get from Smith Street, when you get onto the highway again, I stood there forever. And then I thought, yippee-ki-yay, the road is open and everything, and I see that I'm going to be home in 50 minutes, and then I hit the N3. They're busy tarring the road. I stood there from literally where you get into the N3 up all the way to Vosloorus for an hour and 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So it took me 2.5 hours to get home from Johannesburg. Sure. I was so tired.
That's
so
crazy.
Yesterday, the people could see on my face, they said, you look tired. I said, I'm tired, I'm floored. So I did work a bit, but I didn't do much. Wat maak julle brei hekelborduur? Prudence, ek is by my vriendin in Heidelberg. Sy het colorspan. Ek gaan gou vir jou wys. Dana Biddle. So sy het colorspan. Hierdie is haar home studio. It's not a shop. So ek bring gewoonlik mense wat my textile art retreats en dit toe kom op 'n appointment. I bring them here, but you can buy online. So there's colorspan.com. And let me show you quickly. Ek sal jou gou wys, ekskuus. Gaan nog so een keer deurloop julle. En vir almal wys ek net gou 'n slukkie koffie vat, want ek praat. When I go live, I talk.
You talk, yeah. Dries your mouth out.
Dan sê julle moet asseblief die skerm tap en like en share, en as julle kan vir my gifts stuur. Ek wys vir julle al hierdie mooi goed vandag met mobile data. Ek is nie by my huis nie, ek het nie wifi nie. Kyk daarso. Ek sal dit waardeer. Kyk hierdie mooi skapie. En daar's die klein boetie of sussie van daai groot skaap. Kyk hoe cute is dit. Love it. So sy het merino, mohair, cotton, en sy kleur alles self. You've got 511 colors of dye. So alles word hier so gekleur. Sy spin ook haar eie wol. This is artworks that you made, ne?
Yes.
Kyk daar, so mooi is dit.
It was a kimono exhibition.
Yes. Nice, ja. So this, what I love is, in these kits, kan jy ook al die klere kry wat so mooi by mekaar pas. En daar so is katoenmateriale, wat ook gekleer word. This 5 meters.
Those are fat quarters. Oh, those are 1 meter. One or 1.5 meters. Those are 3 meter pieces.
Okay, so daar is 1 meter, hierdie is 3 meter, hierdie is fat quarters.
These are quilt backs. These.
Oh, those are quilt backs.
Yeah, so they'll fit a queen size quilt.
Queen size quilt, okay. Kyk al hierdie mooi wol. Ek het net nie vir julle hierdie gewys nie. Kyk, hierdie is speckled. This is cool. O, hier is ook. Kyk hierso.
Confetti.
Confetti.
And color burst and hand paint. And colour wheels we do as well. There's a colour wheel.
Oh, dis mooi. Julle dankie Madeleine.
Those are the wheels.
Ooh, kyk die color wheels. Hoe cool lyk dit? Okay, I have to pay my stuff.
Okay, let me work it out for you.
En dan gaan ek voort, kyk daai poppie. Dan gaan ek voort en dan gaan ons na Dina toe by Oakview Manor. Kyk, hier is ook 'n mooi kombers. So ek loop vandag die hele Heidelberg rond, sjoe. In Rustenburg. Koop in Kreersdorp. Ja, dit is baie mooi hierso. Maar as ek sê, sy is hierso, as jy nie weet van haar nie, dan sal jy nie weet om wol te kom koop hierso nie. Sy verkoop aanlyn. I mustn't forget this. So dit is nou my purchases vandag. Ek kom wys vir julle en dan loop ek bankrot hier. Ag, nou kyk, ek wil vir julle wys hoe weeg sy my wol en dan wys ek my gesig vir julle. So ek gaan nou vir my trui brei met hierdie. Ek het nog nie eers die serp gebrei met die ander nie, maar ja. Ek moet net kyk hoe lyk my foon se battery. Battery, ek moet hom charge by Dina. Ek gebruik nou my mobile data. Die wol, jy sal met beter, dis beter om aanlyn. Okay, thank you. Dankie. Jy moet aanlyn gaan kyk want die wol word geweeg. Dis alles word sy spin haar eie wol ook. Sy gebruik
Handspun is not online.
the handspun wool is not online, maar sy gebruik net natuurlike wol. Alles is sy kleer alles hierso en sy weeg die wol. So ek kan nie vir jou sê 'n tolletjie kos soveel nie want dit word geweeg, maar
These only get weighed.
oh, only those. Oh, okay.
Yeah, these get weighed. These have prices. These are $150,
So hierdie is R150.
but that's not online.
Okay. And those are
$130.
130.
130.
130. Stupid.
You
Why
have
do you? Yeah.
You have
Oh yeah, it's for when they steal the cart or something.
Ja.
Like that. So ons gaan net gou my goed. Julle moet my nou aanhits en motiveer om dit wat ek nou vandag hier spandeer te brei en laat dit nie weer vir 4 jaar in my studio lê
You're
nie.
going to have to come and visit and knit
Yes,
here.
yes.
Sorry, it's
No,
just
no, I've
opening.
also got that machine.
Takes its time.
Maar kom, terwyl ons nou vir die masjien wag, kyk gou mooi trui. Ek gaan vir my so 'n trui brei. Kyk hoe mooi is dit. Turn around, please. Kyk hoe mooi is dit. So ek gaan nou vir my so 'n trui brei en julle moet my nou aanhits en motiveer om so 'n trui te brei. Ek kan nie hierdie goed koop en dit nie gebruik nie, julle. En ek kan dit ook nou nie vir pophare gebruik nie. Is bietjie It's going to be a very expensive doll. Well, I can use it, but it's going to be an expensive doll.
Yeah, I use cotton for the doll hair rather than the wool. Although I think that little black doll's got wool
But
hair.
my mermaids have got all, my mermaid hair looks like,
Mohair.
ja.
Yeah.
Maar dit is ook maar goed, ek koop 'n bietjie goed nou, want ek moet Augustus weer my, I have to do my provisional income tax. So it's good that because I put this through the business. Cost
Yeah.
of sales. It's going to be my uniform. Laat ek net, ek kan nie my pinkode afneem nie. That's going to be a problem. Okay.
Do you need a receipt?
Yes,
probably
I
will.
need, ja.
Do you want to put your SMS or email?
Um, yes, I need, ja.
Do you want to put your SMS or email?
Um, yes, I need, ja.
SMS or email? 'Cause I think that little black doll's got wool hair. Yeah.
Um,
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for sharing your inner sanctuary with us today.
It's such a pleasure. Thank you for coming.
And julle, die van julle wat wol wil hê, julle kan aanlyn gaan koop by Colorspan. Okay, so. Vat jou goed en trek, Ferrara. Vat jou goed en trek. Thanks for the coffee. Ons is op pad na die volgende een toe. Ah, sy. Yeah, my husband's got my car today because there's something with the right light and they fixed it the other day. It cost a fortune and then the light went dead again.
Oi.
So last night he announced, I'm taking your car and this my car's automatic and his car's not automatic. So julle moet nie vir my lag as ek die kar stol nie. Okay, I'm just gonna put this in the boot. Don't want anybody to get my parcel. Thank you so much. No, it was nice seeing you again.
Thanks so much for coming.
You're welcome.
It was lovely to see you.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay.
Bye, everybody.
Bye bye. Just
Bye.
bye.